Okay, 59 Buick door lock parts. We are looking at the actual pull axles, little pull knobs, the rods. It's pretty clean on top, and it goes all the way down in there. Whole lock assembly's in there if need be. And back door. A little rusty, but still solid. There's the rods. They connect there, and they run all the way on the outside to there and up. Now let's see if I can get to the other side of the car. It can be a little tricky. As I see, we have a tree branch down over there. And I don't really feel like climbing over the car, so why don't we try to go around it. Let's see, there's an easier way. Stuff hiding in the grass, gotta be careful. Alright. The vine got me a little bit here. Guess I'm gonna have to come in here with the chainsaw. Okay. There's the lock assembly. And yeah, the rod is there. And it goes all the way. Oops. Into there. Maybe I can get better from the front door. Lock assembly looks okay. Got a window glass in the way, but that's not an obstacle. Okay, we got the little pull knob is there. Almost looks like it's half off. It's actually still working. Well, that did move a second ago, and then it stopped. Door opens. Okay. Oh yeah, there's the other one. I don't know if the camera's seeing that or not. Well, at least this has... Let's see, where does that attach? That's got to go through there somehow. But it's there. It's definitely there. Piece of the door. Oh, no, that's a piece of the door panel. There we go. I can see it down there now. Okay. We have them, all four of them. Getting them out might be a little fun, but all of this can be cut. Ouch. Think it's been there a few years? 1959 Buick Invicta 4-door sedan. What the heck? Oh, we have an audience. Hello, cat. What's up, pal? Huh? Come to see what I'm up to, huh? Yeah, that figures. I might be poaching your mice. I guess we know which car he likes. Cadillac. Okay. 4 door latch assemblies, or just the rods for the locks. In case anybody's wondering, that's Model A Ford front axle. Made it to a trailer. Trailer axle. Okay. We'll get it.